Hello everyone. I hope that you guys are good, you are healthy, you are happy. And this is our HTML tutorial. And today we are going to learn how to use nav tag. So, what exactly is nav tag? If you have noticed on any website, on top of it, there is a bar which we call nav bar. This is the very first thing which you will see on any website. These are actually a buttons where it is mentioned home, contact us, join us. Okay, and when you click over there, it will redirect you to the other page where information relevant to those buttons is being there. All right, so today we will learn how to create a nav bar, and along with that we will also learn how to navigate through nav buttons to different pages. Means when you click on those buttons on the nav bar, it will take redirect you to the different page. So let's begin. So guys, what we have done that first of all we have to create one HTML file, the very first one for the very first page, and I have given it name as first web page.html. Okay, and here I will give it name as what name I will give, nav bar or nav tag. Okay, nav tag, because we are learning nav tag. So here we go, nav tag is the title, and let's give the nav bar over here. All right, and in that nav bar let's create one anchor tag, a href. Here we go, and the name would be the first, we can say, let it be like okay, initially I will make it just hash, because we haven't created any other HTML page. So let it be like this, and I will give this the first page on our nav bar as home. Okay, and let's copy it. Let's copy it 3-4 times. Okay, because usually we can see in our first page, home is there, then about us we have seen, services we have seen, services, and yeah, contact us. Okay, so contact us we have seen. So I'll just copy it and we will see how it looks like. Okay, in our browser it looks like this. So okay, we will do one more thing. We can give it some spaces and NBSP. Okay, so NBSP, this is nothing, it gives the appropriate space between these two. Okay, these all NBSP. Copy, copy, copy. Here we go, and let's see. Okay, so if you see now, it looks like this. And since so our what is exactly is our motto? Our motto exactly is this, that if we click over here, click here, click here, click here, it will redirect us to that particular page, because this is our nav bar. Okay, so how to make it proper? Let's begin with it. I will give it as a button. Okay, so let's first of all give a button over here. Okay, here we go. I have given one button. Okay, and here also. Here as well. And lastly here as well. And here our button we have created. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so the four buttons is there. Let's give some spaces, because usually in the nav bar, in the box there are some spaces. So BR, one more time, let's give BR, okay, and we will give one line as well so that it gets separated. All right, so save. Now we'll see. Now look at here. So it looks like this. Our nav bar looks like this. So this is the way how we can use our nav tag. Now our motto is, if we click here, click here, click here, it will redirect us to the that particular HTML page, the main home page, about us page, service page, and contact us page. All right, so let's start creating a few more HTML files. So I will just quickly give it name as home.html. all right, and the second one, service.html. here we go, and then about us.html, and contact us.html. left to you, contact.html. okay, here we go. So these all these if we see, we have created these all HTML pages, okay, so that when a person will click on it, it will redirect them. So what we have to do, I will show you how to redirect it over there. It's very simple. Here just give slash home.html, okay, and similarly about us.html, and similarly service.html, and contact.html. okay, let's save it, and now we will see how it functions. If we click now here, see, it has taken us to other page. If we click about us, you see it has taken us to about us.html page. I click on services, it has taken us to services, service.html. Similarly, contact us, contact.html. So let's later on what exactly, after creating all these things, this is the very first step. After creating nav bar and everything and giving design through CSS, this is how we can navigate, how we can process with anchor tag, how to create a nav bar using nav tag. So guys, I hope that you like this tutorial, and I will definitely appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.